Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing drink, passion fruit popping boba lemonade, that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this refreshing drink, passion fruit popping boba lemonade, these are the ingredients. I have lemons, sugar, a pinch of salt, the two ingredients to make your popping boba at home, water, passion fruit syrup, boba, and of course, the little squeezer bottle. This is everything we need, so let's get started. I want to start by making our popping boba. I have half a cup of water, and to this I am going to add half a cup of passion fruit syrup. Look at this, a very easy and delicious recipe, and it is perfect for this hot weather. But this is the main ingredient. I am going to add half a teaspoon of this powder, and I am going to use the hand blender. If you try to just blend it with the spoon or with the fork, it's not going to incorporate completely. What you want is to use a hand blender. You want to mix it for at least 3 minutes until you have a lot of bubbles. That's how you know that it's incorporated perfectly. Once it's nice and airy and you will see the color changes, even the texture changes to be more thick, this is how it's going to look after 3 minutes. This is when you know that this is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer it to a cup. I'm going to cover the cup. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. If you could leave it overnight, perfect, better. Your popping boba is going to come out delicious anyhow. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Here, I want to start mixing the second most important ingredient. This is going to firm your popping boba. 2 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of this powder, calcium lactate. I am going to add it in here. I am going to whisk it really good, and I'm going to put it aside and let it stay at room temperature. This part is very important. You want to make sure that this powder dissolves completely before you start adding and making your popping boba into this dish. Of course, you're going to have 2 dishes, one with this powder and the other one with just plain water. I have here my little container where I'm going to add the mixture, and I'm going to start making the popping boba. A little drop at a time. This is going to be time consuming, but let me tell you, when you are done, you are really going to enjoy this popping boba, especially when you're drinking your lemonades and they explode into your mouth. Oh my gosh, the flavor is amazing. Well, here I am making my popping boba, and if I could make it, you could make it. I made a large one here, and I want to show you how it looks when you pop it. Look at this. The flavor is going to be amazing. I have all my popping boba here in just plain water, and now I am ready to add it into the small little cup. I'm going to add some of the syrup, and then I am going to drain the popping boba, and I am going to add it into the small cup. Let me tell you, these lemonades come out amazing, refreshing. And of course, when you're drinking your lemonade and you have this popping boba in your mouth and it explodes in your mouth, it's just an amazing taste, texture, and it's really refreshing. Well, once you have it now ready to go, I am going to cover it, put it in the refrigerator, and I am ready to start making my simple syrup. I have my container here. I'm going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and I'm going to take it to the stove. I'm going to start cooking it in medium heat until the sugar dissolves. The water will
start changing color into a very light yellow. But remember, you want to make sure that you let it boil so that the simple syrups starts getting a little thick. It reduces the liquid. And now, of course, you don't use too much sugar when you're making your delicious lemonades. Now I am ready to prepare and get the juice out of these organic lemons, of course, from my garden. I have this little gadget that's going to get all the juice out of every single one. This little gadget, I bought it at Walmart, and let me show you. Once you get all the juice out, let me show you what you leave behind. I really love using this little gadget. Look at this. Nothing behind, of course. This is the best part. You don't want to leave none of that juice behind. I am going to continue getting the juice out of the rest of the lemons. And I am going to try to obtain 1.5 cups of lemon juice. My mouth is already watering. This looks amazing. Of course, look at this. Now I am ready. I have my pitcher here with just water. I'm going to start adding just the lemon juice. I'm going to add 1 cup of the simple syrup we made earlier. It's at room temperature. And of course, I am going to add the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to really bring up all those amazing flavors of the passion fruit. I'm going to mix it really good. And now, of course, I am ready to prepare my glass of lemonade with this amazing passion fruit popping boba. Look at this. I have my glass here. I am going to add a little bit of simple syrup on the bottom, passion fruit syrup, ice. I am going to add some lemon juice and my popping boba. This drink is so refreshing and delicious, especially for this hot weather. I am sure you're going to enjoy it. Once you start making your popping boba at home, you are going to decide the flavors that your family really loves and make your popping boba. Look how beautiful this looks. And of course, it looks beautiful, but it tastes amazing. I am sure you're going to love making these popping bobas. If you have little ones at home, bring them in the kitchen, have them help you make this amazing popping boba. I am ready to enjoy and refresh myself with this passion fruit popping boba lemonade. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, share this video on social media, and of course, refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. I am ready to enjoy this delicious and amazing exotic passion fruit popping boba made at home with lots of love. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. It looks amazing.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing passion fruit popping boba lemonade. I am sure you guys are going to love it, and it's perfect for this hot weather. Excuse me. you could really pop the passion boba in your mouth. It tastes amazing. And nice and refreshing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing passion fruit boba lemonade. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.